Hi, gals and guys. This is Go Math Lesson 4.1, Part 2. So if you haven't seen Part 1 yet, then go back and do Part 1. This is page 240, okay? 240. Now it says solve, write or draw to explain. Number 13. Well, let's look at this together. Megan has 38 animal pictures, 5 people pictures, and 3 insect pictures. How many pictures does she have? So we need to add up all of these numbers. Before we do that, though, let's do our complete sentence. Our question is, how many pictures does she have? We're going to say she has blank pictures. Make sure you start with a capital letter and end with a period. Now we're ready to add these up. We have 38 animal pictures, 5 people pictures, and 3 insect pictures. And we need to add all of these numbers together to get our sum. All right. Now we know in addition we can add in any order. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, well I know that 3 plus 5 is what? Is 8. So I'm going to do 38 plus 8. So let's write that down. 38 plus 8 equals blank. Now this is a good one for me to use the break apart strategy with. So 38 really wants to be a what? 40. 38 really wants to be 40. So 38 is going to go next door to 8 and say, please, I really want to be 40. Can you help me? So 8 says, okay, I'll put up my tent. Now, what does 38 need to become 40? Show me with your fingers. What does 38 need to become a 40? You are correct. 38 needs 2. So we're going to break 8 apart into 2 plus 6. Okay, 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we're going to do our highlighting, but before we do that, I'm going to draw another empty addition number sentence. And first I'm going to say, okay, 38 plus 2 is what? 40. And then this 6 just comes right into here. Well, that's easy peasy to add. We know 40 plus 6 is what? 46. So then, of course, we know that 38 plus 8 is also 46. So you're going to make sure that you put that in right there. Let's look at number 14. 14 is a beefy, that means kind of tricky, 2-step problem. Okay? So let's read through it together. Jamal has a box with 22 toy cars in it. He puts 9 more toy cars into the box. Then he takes 3 toy cars out of the box. How many toy cars are in the box now? So are we adding with this or are we subtracting with this? What's going on here?
We're adding and then subtracting.
Yes, you're absolutely right. We are adding and then we have to subtract. Okay? So let's do this. Let's write our complete sentence first. How many toy cars are in the box now? You're going to start this complete sentence with there are blank toy cars in the box now. Make sure you start with a capital letter and you end with a period. So first off, Jamal has a box with 22 toy cars in it. Then he puts 9 more toy cars into the box. Then he takes 3 toy cars out of the box. How many toy cars are in the box now? So you're right, we need to add these two together and then subtract 3 from this. Okay, so let's do that. Let's look at 22 plus 9. And I'm going to do my blank addition number sentence here. Now, 22 really wants to be a what? 30. What does 22 need to become a 30? 8. 22 needs 8 to become a 30. So we're going to break apart our 9 into 8 and 1. Now I know that 28 plus 8 is what? 22 plus 8, we'll highlight, 22 plus 8 is 30. Then our little 1 guy, he goes right in here. And you know how we highlighted? In the journal, we highlighted him blue. And that's Cupcakes. What's 30 plus 1? 31. Now, are we done? No. Then, so right now he's got 31 cars in the box. Now he's got to take 3 out. So we're going to say 31 subtract 3 equals, and there's our answer. And I'm going to let you figure that out on your own by counting back. Okay, go ahead and hit pause if you need to get caught up. Then we have Dan has 16 pencils. Quentin gives him 5 more pencils. Choose all the ways you can use to find how many pencils Dan has in all. That tells us we're adding. So he has 16 pencils and then he gets 5 more. Okay, so we're looking at 16 plus 5. Now, can we use 16 plus 5? Sure. What about this one? Can we use this one? You decide. And can we use this one? 16 subtract 5. You decide. Fill in all of the ways that work. Go ahead and finish up this page. Thank you for working hard. Have a good day.